Welcome to the CoCloud tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to generate a Gaussian splatting model using data collected with the CNAV RS10. First, go to your project workspace and click New Dataset. Select LiDAR raw data and choose the RS series device. Next, upload the original zip package from RS10. Important! To generate an HPG's model, your dataset must include panoramic images. Place the INS files into the Camera 4 folder before zipping and uploading. The system will automatically validate your files and notify you if anything is missing. Next, set the coordinate system. If you're unsure, choose Default Coordinate System, and CoCloud will suggest the best option. If you don't need geographic coordinates, such as indoor scenes, select Relative Coordinates. For georeferenced projects, select Projected Coordinates, with options to search or use history. In Advanced Settings, you can also load preset coordinate systems by country or region. Upload a CRD file, or define custom parameters including ellipsoid, projection type, and central meridian. Parameter transformations and grid file imports are also supported. Now configure your outputs. You can choose point clouds, 3D mesh, and HPG's models. 3D mesh and HPGs are advanced features. You can choose panoramic camera or built-in camera for coloring the point cloud. The system will display the estimated credit cost. HPG's processing typically consumes about 20 credits per minute of data. Finally, check auto processing after upload, and click Start Processing to submit your task. You can track the upload progress in the top right corner. Do not close the page until the upload is complete, and use a stable internet connection for large datasets. Once the upload is finished, CoCloud will automatically start processing. On the Task Detail page, you can monitor the processing status. When processing is complete, you'll find the HPG's model in your result panel. You can explore the model in detail, zoom, take measurements, add annotations, or export it for further use. In Gaussian splatting viewing mode, you can also explore the scene in first-person or digital human mode. For example, click the Digital Human button in the top toolbar to enter the space. You can choose whether to enable collision detection. Use the on-screen controls to move forward, backward, left, and right. It feels just like a video game, allowing you to freely walk through and experience the 3D space.